And I just feel the best I have in years from coming here. And all over. Not only the pain, but the changing of my physical appearance. Yeah. And putting in habits that are great for you, healthy habits. So yeah, it's an all over thing. Best I've felt. This is Susie Foreman, and this is my Aviv story. Just a little background. I had 2 knee surgeries, within 6 months in 22. And I used to go upstairs to the PT from the doctor, the whole 9 yards. Well, every time I would come in here, I'd see this Aviv. And I'd say to myself, what the heck is that place? The cognitive piece spoke to me because of dementia running in my mother's side. But I was also still struggling with my 2 knees. And now I had this hip issue going on to the point where I had to do something. I came in here, or I phoned, talked to an ambassador, got all the stuff. And then I decided to go forward. And then I had my assessments. Well, as I got through to my assessments, I managed to find Randy. And he very kindly said, you're going to need hip surgery first. And I had a week of hyperbaric prior. They suggested that. And so I did the hip surgery June 10th. I was here back 2 days later at Aviv to start my process. Randy had set up 3 times a week for my PT. And honestly, it was the best decision I ever made. Just the whole process of taking 3 months and going through the program, all of that becomes, you do it for a long time, it becomes a habit, and everything then becomes a lifestyle. And by, I would say, 1 month, I was cruising along. 6 weeks, I was like, can I play pickleball? You know, can we think about that? And oh my gosh, for once in my life, I didn't feel like I was juggling around. I never really felt the hip. The hip was by far improved so much. It's amazing what you can do when you're not in pain. I've lost 20 pounds. I reshaped my whole self. I am now more focused. I'm more aware of what I'm doing. So those are little changes that had taken place. You won't understand Aviv until you come and take it and you embrace it. I embraced everything that they had here, and I still come back twice a week to do the alumni conditioning. It's just inbred in me now to keep physically active, to keep my strength up with my joints. But Randy and I probably saw him the most. He and I just established this great relationship, and we would end up at the end just playing a little pickleball here and there just to get my movements going. And who does that? You're gonna ever find that in a doctor's office? No. So it was by far the best physical therapy and the overall health. Best thing I ever did.